Okay, guys, so today we're going to be talking about net worth. Ooh, look at net worth. So, what exactly is net worth? I don't know. A combination. Net worth is a combination of your assets and liabilities. So, what's an asset and what's a liability? An asset are resources of value for you. So, these are positive numbers. These are numbers that give you money. Okay, so like your house. However much your house is worth is going to be an asset to you because that's how much you're worth right there. Any money you have in a checking account or a savings account, your your car is an asset to you, how much it's worth is an asset to you, and any investments that you may have, like stocks and bonds and things like that. On the other hand, liabilities are resources you owe money on or for. These are negative things. These are negative. So, like if you have to mortgage your house, that's a negative. If you have credit card debt, that's a negative as well. And if you have any loans, like student loans or personal loans that you've taken out, those are negatives and subtracted from. So in order to find net worth, we have to subtract our liabilities from our assets to get our total net worth. Okay, so our net worth is how much we're worth after we take into account all of that stuff. Okay, and basically all we're going to do here is we're going to look at a table. They'll give you a table of everything, and they'll usually label it assets and liabilities like this. And then it'll ask you, what is your total net worth? And all we have to do is add all those together. So we're going to add 750 plus 8950 plus 92,500. I did not line up that right. 92,500 plus 1,350 and 4,000. Okay, and then we add zeros. 5, 10, 15. 9 and 7 is 16 plus 1 is 17. I'm going to see up here. 17 and 3 are 20. 20 and 5 is 25. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 13 plus 4 is 17. And then 10. Okay, so all my assets equal that. So this is what my assets are worth. Okay. So that's how much I'm worth with just my assets. But then I have to find my liabilities. So we're going to do 3,800, 15,750, and then 975. Okay, we're going to add all of those up. 5 and 7 is 12. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 7, 35. It's 25, sorry. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 2. So I have $20,000 and $20,525 are my liabilities. Okay, so those are my liabilities. Okay, so what we do is we take our assets and we subtract the liabilities from it. So we're going to do 107,550 minus 20525. Okay, I can't do 0 minus 5, so I'm going to borrow from the 5, make that a 4, and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. I can't do 0 minus 2, so we borrow. That becomes 0. That becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So my total net worth is $87,025. And this is my net worth right here. Okay. It's pretty simple, but kind of a little bit of work to do. Okay. Okay, let me see. We're going to go on to the next one. So here, shown is your net worth statement. So this is my net worth statement. So if you look, it has positives and negatives. So remember, positives are assets and negatives are liabilities. Okay. If my net worth is $101,800, what is the current value of my house? See, because we're trying to find what my house value is. So what I need to do is I need to add all of this up. So I would say the easiest thing to do, add all your positives up, add all your negatives up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with these positives. $900 and then $16,900 and then $4,500 and then $1,200. Okay? Zeros, 9 and 9 is 18. I'm going to do 18 plus 2 is 20, plus 5 is 25. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and then 1 and 1 is 2. So my total assets are $23,500. Okay, so these are my assets. Okay, and then we're going to add up all the negatives. Okay, so 3,400. I'm not going to worry about them being negative because that just means I'm going to subtract all of these from that 23,000. And then 16,300. Those are my only two negatives. See? 1, 2. Only two negatives. Okay, so we're going to do 0, 0, 4 and 3 is 7, 6 and 3 is 9, and then 1. Okay, and those are my liabilities. Okay, so we subtract our liabilities from our assets. So we're going to do 23,500 from 19,700. We're subtracting those. 0, 0. Borrow, that's a 2. That becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3,800. Okay. Okay, and then this is what I have right now without my house. Okay, then what we do is we want to subtract that from my total net worth, that $101,800 minus $3,800. Okay. So we're going to do 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0. I can't borrow from the 0, 0, that becomes a 10. Then I have to borrow from that, it becomes a 9. That becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 7. Ooh, 8, sorry. I can't do math. 8 and 3 is 11. And then that's the 9. So my house is worth $98,000. Okay? And that's how much my house is worth. Okay? So that's my answer. It's a lot of work, but it's pretty simple. Okay? As long as you know assets are positive, liabilities are negative, we're just going to subtract. And when you have to find this value here, after you subtract your liabilities from your assets here, just subtract it from your total net worth. Okay? It's adding and subtracting. There's usually not any multiplying or dividing in it. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave me a comment, shoot me an email, let me know, and I'll help you out. You guys have a great day.